The following message is transmitted at the request of the Food and Drug Administration and the United States government. Reports received in all countries that the cake from the stores and restaurants was contaminated with the virus called birthday virus. Symptoms of the birthday virus may include headaches, dizziness, nausea, difficulty breathing, loss of speech, vomiting, fever, paralysis, and death. This is a very dangerous virus and this has to be taken very seriously. If you have eaten cake within the last hour, you will face certain death. Do not eat in any cake that you found from a restaurant or store. Don't throw them away in the garbage as they need to be disposed of properly. Put them in a container so the National Guard will take them to a location. Cakes will not be sold to anyone until further notice. Tune to your station for updates on the situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. An extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation is taking place across the United States. Many reports received in all states that the creature is called the cake monsters that was caused by the birthday virus cake. These creatures has the following characteristics: white fur, red eyes, sharp teeth, sharp claws. These creatures has the ability to eat every person that they see in its path. These cake monsters are extremely dangerous and should not be approached by anyone, and these cake monsters have invaded the several states including Illinois, New Mexico, New Hampshire, North Dakota, South Dakota, Michigan, South Carolina, Texas, Florida, Georgia, Iowa, Pennsylvania, Maryland, Delaware, and Wyoming. All residents living in these states are advised to seek a shelter immediately. Gather food and water that can last up to 10 days, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, and a battery-powered or hand-crank radio with extra batteries. Do not leave your shelters until the all-clear is given. Do not approach these creatures, as they are extremely dangerous and will kill you on sight. Stay tuned for more update on this dangerous situation.